Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MiniTool Partition Wizard on Windows step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official MiniTool website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the products section. Hover over this section until a drop-down menu appears. From the drop-down menu, click on Partition Wizard. You will be directed to the MiniTool Partition Wizard page. Look for the free download button on this page. Click on the free download button to initiate the download. Your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a suitable location on your computer to save the installer. Click on Save to start the downloading process. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where the installer is saved. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the installer to run. The MiniTool Partition Wizard Setup Wizard will appear on screen. Click Next to proceed with the installation. Read the license agreement and select I agree to accept the terms. Choose the installation location if you want a different folder, then click Next. Select the additional tasks you want to perform, then wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to exit the Setup Wizard. You should now see MiniTool Partition Wizard on your desktop or in the Start menu. Open the application to start managing your partitions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.